Here's an A-level functions question that combines two skills at once. f of x equals x minus 3, all squared plus 2 for x greater than or equal to 3. Find f inverse of x and state its domain. First we write y equals f of x and rearrange to isolate the bracket. That gives us x minus 3. All squared equals y minus 2. Now we take the square root of both sides. Since x is greater than or equal to 3, x minus 3 is never negative, so we only take the positive square root. Solving for x gives us x equals 3 plus root y minus 2. Swapping x and y, our inverse function is f inverse of x equals 3 plus root x minus 2. The domain of f inverse is always the range of the original function. Since f of x is greater than or equal to 2 for all valid x, the domain of f inverse is x greater than or equal to 2. f inverse of x equals 3 plus root x minus 2 with domain x greater than or equal to 2. If this helped, hit subscribe for more GCSE and A-level worked exam questions.